Welcome back to Vehicle Club, your go-to channel for the latest in automotive news and reviews. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Hyundai Bayon, Hyundai's refreshed compact SUV that's making waves with its smart design, new tech, and impressive efficiency. Refreshed design, same urban charm. The 2026 Bayon builds on its predecessor's urban-friendly footprint but adds sharper styling cues. A redesigned front fascia features sleeker LED headlights and a more prominent grille, giving it a bolder road presence. The rear gets updated taillights with a futuristic light signature, while new alloy wheel designs add a premium touch. Despite its compact size, the Bayon still delivers SUV-like ground clearance, ideal for city streets and occasional adventures. Interior, compact yet smartly packaged. Inside, Hyundai continues its focus on practicality and comfort. The cabin now includes updated materials, a redesigned center console, and a more refined dashboard layout. A new 10.25-inch digital cluster and infotainment screen come standard, both offering seamless smartphone integration via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Storage is ample for a car in this class, and rear legroom remains competitive. Tech and safety upgrades. The 2026 Bayon brings a suite of driver assistance features as standard. This includes lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, forward collision avoidance, and blind spot monitoring. Hyundai's SmartSense system has been refined for even smoother performance. Over-the-air updates will keep the tech fresh long after purchase. Powertrain and efficiency. Under the hood, expect an updated 1.0-liter turbocharged engine paired with a 48V mild hybrid system. It offers enhanced fuel efficiency and a smoother driving experience, with power output remaining at a respectable 100 to 120 horsepower range. A choice between a 6-speed manual and a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic ensures flexibility for different drivers. Final thoughts. The 2026 Hyundai Bayon isn't just a facelift, it's a smarter, safer, and more refined package for urban drivers. Stay tuned to Vehicle Club for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe for your weekly auto updates.